Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to rotate words. As example, I will create words in here. You can type example rotate. Now if you want to rotate these words, you need to convert into text box. Like I will sort this text. You can right click, choose cut tools. The next go to insert and then click on text box. I will use the simple text box, and after it you can paste inside the text box. Now you also can hide for the sub outlines by clicking at this no outline, and to rotate you can click these icons. Okay, you can rotate into here like this, and you can select, you can move into another area like into this point. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to rotate words. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.